Hello students, all of you those who have passed grade 10. I know the biggest question in front of you today is whether to choose arts, science or commerce for your future studies. Unless you are 100% sure about your choice for these subjects, I know so many of you out there who are still confused. For all those who have not yet chosen, here is a small video which is going to tell you why in these times of pandemic and the period that we all are going through, why it is so important for students like you to pick up science subject as a future career choice. You will come to know about so many things during this small video. Thank you. From our knowledge of gravity to cutting-edge medicines, students of science have shaped our modern world. So how is science important in daily life? And why should you study science? From forest wanderers to space wanderers, science has transformed human beings. Right from invention of wheels to building a supercomputer, science has made our lives easier and comfortable. Preventing or early warnings against natural disasters. In 1999, Super Cyclone 05B killed 15,000 people in Orissa and made some 1.5 million homeless, and the damages were in thousands of crores. After 13 years, similar cyclone hit Orissa, but this time only 40 people died. How? Because of the improved weather forecasting from the remote sensing and satellites launched after 1999. Similarly, preventing or controlling outbreak of deadly diseases. In the 14th century, plague wiped out nearly 1/3 of the entire population. Similar pandemics in 2009 and now, they have been able to control it better because of the medical technology, medical facilities and vaccinations. Diseases like cancer, HIV can be curable if detected at an early stage. Think about the uninhabitable lands that have been turned into modern day oases. Think about Middle Eastern countries. We know that 71% of the earth is covered by water, only 1% is drinkable, and not all available land is cultivable. However, deserts in the Middle East with dry and hot climate have become global financial and tourism hubs. They have installed desalination plants to meet the water crisis. Israel has managed to convert its barren land into productive, fertile agricultural fields, and now they are exporting food to the whole world. How? Because of the innovations in agriculture, improved crop storage facility, water harvesting techniques. While our PM Modi was addressing the nation on COVID-19 pandemic, he emphasized the necessity of a self-reliant India, Atmanirbhar Bharat. Now is the time for self-reliance in science, technology and industry in a globalized world. India had lagged behind in the third industrial revolution, which had majorly electronic goods, microprocessors, personal computers, mobile phones, etc. If you look at it, today India is the second largest smartphone market, but it does not make any phones itself. It only manufactures some solar, photovoltaic cells and modules. Most Indian companies relied on technology imports and collaborations. Other countries like South Korea, Taiwan, Singapore, Hong Kong, they took huge technological and industrial strides, and today they capture the market. They have developed technologies and manufacturing capacities and have become world leader in this. Now our government is working on the need to become substantially revamp education, become independent. With new education policy, there is a lot of stress on skill development. Prime Minister's Skill India, Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat, they all point towards a very important subject, and that is science. In the interest of the entire country, science ensures the next wave of progress and all the fields of our lives. STEM graduates are in high demand across the world. They find immigration across the world easier. So students, if you want to shape the world around you, help in scientific advances that our country is up to for the benefit of mankind, I urge all of you, think about the careers in science and related fields. So now, after watching this video, I am sure there is some clarity in your mind. I also want to inform you that Government of India has a very good scheme for the students who want to study science, pure sciences especially, BSc, MSc or integrated program. If you score a certain percentage above 85%, you can get rupees 80,000 scholarship every year for 5 years of studies. So this is another very good opportunity for students wanting to study science. I am sure children, you will do your own research. You will find for your own, based on your own interest. You will pick a subject. There is such a vast variety. You will do your justice to your own choices and think about studying science. Be a part of STEM education. Be a part of global development. Be a part of the development of our own country.